Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Naturally Coily. Be sure to look in the description box and check out what's down there because there might be something special. In this video, I'm bringing you a wig review. This wig was sent to me by Kalyss. As you guys can see on the packaging, they have an Amazon store and they reached out to me and asked me if I would review this wig. Know that it's gonna be an honest review so that you can get it exactly how it is, y'all. Okay? So this wig came with a wig cap, which I won't be using simply because it's black, and I use the nude wig caps. It is an ombre wig. The red on the bottom is very, very beautiful. When I wore it, I got a lot of compliments on the color especially. So it's a lace front wig, and it has a middle part, but I kind of shift the middle part a little bit to the side because it just fits my face better. It is lace, like I said before. The curls were not exactly as shown in the photo, I will say that much, but it wasn't too far off either. So that is what the front looks like. You get a little bit of lace in the front. And that's what the part looks like. So I went ahead and tried it on for the first time just to see the wig cap sizing, to make sure everything was good. I didn't pin it yet for sizing purposes. So I was just putting it on, seeing where I needed to adjust my wig cap to be, and just getting a feel of how the curls will look with my face type. So my first impression of this wig was definitely a satisfactory one. I actually ended up wearing it out that evening, and I just absolutely love the color. Like I said before, I got so many compliments on the color of this wig. This video does not give it justice, y'all. It is so pretty, and then the ombre gives it, that better look because it looks more natural from the root, and then it goes down into the luscious red color. I will say that after this wear, I will be customizing the part because it definitely could look more natural, but that would not be too hard to do. It would just, maybe take some powder or some concealer, whichever is your preferred method to customize it. If you want to see me customize this wig, leave a comment below, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know that, hey, I want to see how you're going to customize it. I also should mention that I did take a small tea comb, and that area where I'm pulling my fingers through right there, I combed that down so that it wouldn't have that spacey look. And I kind of did that around the entire top from the part to not too low so I didn't mess with the curl. So that definitely was a good thing, and it made the look even better. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.